Hello book nerds, welcome to Bookshelf Bunny. I'm Kim and today we are doing a bookish backyard beach day. Hey guys, so today is like crazy hot in the middle of the Canadian prairies. It's like 35 degrees today. We have a heat warning and that shit's my jam. So I set up in my backyard with my book and some snacks and my pool and I am ready to go. So I thought I'd just relax today and you're welcome to join me. I'm gonna see how far I can get in this beauty today. Let's see how far we can get in this amazing, gorgeous weather reading outside with my tiny pool. Check out my tiny pool. I have a sun thing. I love the heat, but I don't want to get burned in the sun. So I have my little sunshade set up and my little beach umbrella here. That's my itty bitty kiddie pool. It's actually about 2 feet deep, so it works really well for me. My little chair where I shall be relaxing with said book. I have some juice. I have this adorable little KFC picnic basket thing that's insulated, and inside is some more drinks and juice and some more coffee. Iced coffee. Iced coffee. So that is what I am up to today. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I'm trying really hard not to get my face wet. Same reason I'm hiding from the sun. I had you can kind of see the band-aid there, I covered it, there's stitches. I had a suspicious mole removed and it's still healing. So just keeping it dry and clean while I also do my best to live my best summer life. You know, PSA, sun safety. Okay, so Billy Summers by Stephen King, so far, at about 100 pages in or so, is about a hitman. He was a former army military dude. I think he was in Afghanistan or Iraq. It was Iraq. And he's retired from that. He's in his 40s or so. And oh, that plane is loud. Go away, plane. He's come to the conclusion that he's done. I mean, you can't be a sharpshooter forever. That's his specialty, you see. Maybe I should mention that also. And he decides that he's offered this one last job. The pay is $2 million with $500,000 up front. And all he has to do is shoot a dude as he comes out of a courthouse. Now, our Billy Summers, our hitman, has a thing. He only assassinates bad men. So he's decided this guy is sufficiently bad enough to warrant the job. The guy is currently in the middle of a legal proceeding, though, so he's in prison and won't be out to go to court for like a couple months. So Billy Summers has to set himself up in the area and kind of blend into the neighborhood. And he's been given this house, and he's been given this little office. It's from the office he can see the courthouse. So his cover is that he is a writer who has a habit of partying, and so his agent is set him up in this area, this small area, in the hopes that he'll focus and get his writing done. That's the cover. But as Billy starts preparing for his mission, he decides that he needs to use this laptop that they've given him, which he's pretty sure is bugged, and act like he's doing what he's supposed to be doing. And he figures he might as well try his hand at writing. So he starts writing a fiction story that is largely based on his own life. So it's kind of interesting to get this last job hitman story mixed in with this like tragic dude who went through some scary crap as a kid, killed a guy even, and getting those snippets of his life intermingled with like fiction, because he's supposed to be writing a fiction story as his cover, and knowing, I just know that this one last job is not going to end well for him. Because that's the trope. That's what's going to happen. And he knows it too. And that's probably my favorite thing about this character and about Stephen King's writing so far, is he knows. He's taking this trope and he's running with it. And he's totally broken that fourth wall. And he's been like, hi, this is a trope. I know this one last job that I'm accepting is probably a bad idea. So it's interesting so far. So again, it's about 100 pages in. Let's keep going.